Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So I was getting a lot of questions about my new digs, my room. Look at this room right here. This thing is huge. Look at this. In the other room, I can go like this and touch both walls at the same time. Now I can't. But look. So everybody was asking about where do you keep your fabrics at? And I understand that question because like I'll show a fabric and then it'll disappear. Look, so this is my table. So I have these bookshelves that we bought. Where do we buy these things from? Big Lots. I can never remember the name of the place. It's called Big Lots. But this is where I keep my fabrics, guys. Right here, underneath. All right. I got a couple of little shelves and stuff. That's the dogs. You know, when I start filming, they start performing. All right. Don't mind these. This is grown man stuff. These are my cigars. All right. So those of you who have your husbands looking over your shoulders, yeah, I've got man stuff in here. Okay. They're cigars. I'm a cigar smoker. Yes. All right. Anyway, so I digress. So going around, see, I have some fabrics, right? And on here, I have some stuff stashed away. Don't mind this shelf right here, because this shelf is the next project. This center shelf is when I'm going to do a project. This is where I put all the fabrics that I want to use for the next project. And these are the colors I'm going to be using in the next quilt. All right. So yeah, I've got a couple of fabrics. You know, I can always use more. I'm looking at my wife. I can always use more. All right, so on this side is my stash. I keep my stash underneath. All right, I love my stash. Okay, I go into it all the time. I use it quite often. Okay, it's my favorite place to go inside the room, inside my own quilt room. You know, I got tools and stuff. You know, stuff that a quilter should have. Okay. And this is pretty much it. This is where I keep everything. Oh, so look underneath, right? So this is where all the trash. That's where our trash can is. Look at that. That's where our stuff falls in. Okay. So I got a great idea from a subscriber. So now when I put my scraps in there, I'm gonna bag it all up, and I'm gonna start using those scraps that I don't use that are way too small for me to keep. I'm gonna start putting them in a pillow and start taking those pillows to the shelter and start donating the pillows to dog shelters. I think that's a great idea. I'm sorry I don't have her name, but I'm going to bring her name up next on the next video. It was the best idea. It's so great. So nothing gets wasted. So I'm going to start saving all of those scraps because I don't throw trash in there. I don't put paper and stuff like that. It's only fabric scrap. So I guess my scrap chute or something, not trash chute because it's not trash, right? It's a scrap chute. So everything that goes in a scrap chute, I'm going to put into a pillow, and then we're going to start donating our pillows to the local shelter, okay? And when I go to the shelter, I'm going to be, where's the pit bull section? Because they have a special place in my heart, and those dogs will get the pillows first, okay? I'm a dog lover, yes, but those dogs will get the pillows first. All right, I want to make it a point, okay? Here's another side with more fabrics, okay? These are my couple of jelly rolls, okay? And showing you guys, I'm exposing myself to you guys. So, yeah, I can use some jelly rolls. That'd be awesome. All right. I'm going to put my 2 jelly rolls up here. There's only 2. There's only 2. 2 jelly rolls. That's it. Just 2. Wait, I got to remind you, it's 2 jelly rolls, okay? So that's it, really. That's the bottom. That's where I keep everything. That's where all the magic happens. You know, when I need to build something, when I need to build a quilt. All right. I have a few bolts, but I haven't found a place to put my bolts. I'm thinking about maybe building a bolt section right here, but I haven't been convinced yet. And that's where my fabrics go. I keep them under the table. The table's homemade. All right, and I'm proud of it. You look at what we got going on here. All right, this is definitely a guy's quilt room. We're waiting on one piece for the wall right there, and once I get that piece, we'll debut it. That's pretty much it. I just want to let everybody know because everyone's asking like, where do you keep your fabrics? And that's where I keep them. Okay, I mean, it's awesome. I love it. I've been in here. My wife's been on the search for me, but I've been in here. Okay, that's it really. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Hey, please subscribe. And remember, I said I would never do that, but I had to. That was too easy. It's only fabric and it's only thread.